Hi Matt, John Hart. I met you on the internet. I guess you should meet me on the internet. I'm going to show you the vehicle in a little bit, but first I want to show you what's going on with the second AEM sensor. Right now, it's plugged into power, keys on, but the vehicle's not running, and it says sensor because the sensor's not plugged in. Now I'm going to go plug it in. Okay, sensor's plugged in. Nothing, nada, dark. I can't figure it out. This is a second gauge. It's doing this. I've loaded your first revision. I'm going to do a short log. Obviously, it's not going to be with this piece of junk. I've got another email into AEM. This one I purchased through Summit. The first one I purchased through Amazon. So thankfully I was able to figure out that the gauge was bad, got it sent back. So this one's from Summit. I've got a little bit more time to do some troubleshooting, figure out if I'm doing something wrong. I can't see how. Everything's straightforward wiring wise. It's plug and play supposedly. Anyway, I'm going to show you the vehicle and just so you know where I'm at. Okay, Matt, everything's pretty much standard issue under the hood here. The modifications obviously are the E85 sensor that you recommended. The wire has been wrapped and pinned to, I believe the instructions said 40, 41. I can't remember. K&N filter in the airbox, 160 thermostat. Plugs were changed out in the 2024 season, beginning of the new wires and plugs to go with the long tubes. Okay, Matt, the O2 on the driver's side's a little closer than I expected. These are cheap Chinese headers. I bought these with the expectation of a better exhaust system down the road. The fitment was pretty good, but the O2 bungs were in a weird spot. The O2 for the wideband is right here. The O2 is in a similar spot. The drive shaft's in good shape. U-joints were checked last year. Energy suspension transmount, and also of course I have solid mounts on the engine. Alright, Matt, this is maiden voyage for the year and your revision 1. Alright, log is going. And let it warm up. AC's on. Put it on auto. It's a little warm in Michigan today, so I'll take it. I bought this with low mileage, obviously down south, because it would have been a rusted out piece of junk if it was up here. It has some condition issues like most GMs. The dash was cracked. The door handle was cracked. All the things that you normally see on GM trucks. I've fixed the door. I have the dash. My plans are putting a 415 cubic inch LS in it. I would really like to make this a fun truck to drive, an efficient one for pulling my boat. And I do have a car I trailer to the track as well, so I'd like to make sure that the transmission is stable, and it doesn't appear that this truck was used for towing prior to me owning it, and that's about it. Odometers, well, you know what the odometer is. Alright, it's mediocre. It's It's about, I don't know, 290 temp. Oil pressure is over 40. We're logging. All right. So I live in Michigan. I'm just north of Detroit. I'm not too close to 8 miles, so we're take a trip down 8 Mile. I can stomp on it a little bit, and you can see what's going on. So far, idle's not too bad. Just over $5,000. As far as quality, butt feel, you know, it's not too bad. I don't. Yeah, doesn't seem too bad. Alright, how do we get these? It's problem is when you store your vehicle, you really don't know what's going on. There we go. Side rear view mirrors out. Alright. Drive. So far so good. I don't sense a little bit of that hesitation in the shift as much. The shift still kind of sucks as far as I'm concerned. You know, it does have a vibration because of solid motor mounts, but that doesn't bother me at all. I'm kind of an old school guy. I want a quick, fast, firm shift. The way this thing shifts is, you know, I might as well be driving a Cadillac. Which, these trucks are very comfortable. This is my second one. My 2005 was a two-wheel drive with a 410 gear. I towed a lot of stuff. I put that thing through its paces. It was a very comfortable truck. This one here, I really like the updated body style, so this is going to be my baby for hopefully many years to come. We'll see. Going down the road, it still feels fine. Driving all year in a car, you know, it's kind of nice sitting up above the road a little bit. I don't know if you can tell the vibration through the camera, but you know, it's there. Definitely there. Okay, I know you said 40% throttle, but yeah, that was typical lackluster in Avalanche fashion. A lot of RPMs, not a lot of go. I'm pretty close to rush hour here on 8 Mile, so I'm going to be in the turnaround for a little bit. yeah, this revision seems normal. You're going to see some things on the log that I'm not feeling in my butt, but you know, for what it's worth, you know, I like the truck, but I'm OCD about efficiency, gas mileage, and when I want it, performance, obviously. So this type of shit drives me. Yeah. Yeah, maybe coming out here on rush hour probably might not have been the best idea. It's got a little bit of a, I feel it there, a little bit better of a pull. Miles an hour is the speed limit here. Usually people are doing 50 and 60, so we'll see if we can get there. All right, we're at 50 miles an hour, so I'm gonna head the other way, head home, and I think this will be it for the test log for your revision 1. Here we go. Dodge Charger. Yeah. Getting that dash fix is going to be high priority. Okay, check. We're out. Thanks, man.